welcome back to my channel. I am Sokira. If you guys are new, today we have a special treat. We are trying the 1921 sliders from White Castles. Let's take a good look at these. I want you guys to get a real good glimpse. See? So the 1921 slider consists of pickles, cheese, the patty, lettuce, and tomato. So it's like kind of like the all-American burger, but you know, normally at White Castle, it's not made that way, what we eat today. So it's a little different. Let's try it. Just the regular cheeseburger is pretty good. See, the inside. And the thumbnail would be that too. Or the back way. Okay. I'm picking this one up because I didn't like how that thumbnail looked. It would be. All right. Yeah, so this is pretty much like a mini cheeseburger with everything. Pretty good. The 1921 White Castle cheeseburger. I like it. Now, do I like it more than the way they usually make it? No, I like the other way better. This way is good, but the one how they make it with the onions and all the yumminess. That was my cheese pull. So I know you guys been wondering where I've been. I was gone for 7 whole days, a week. Did you guys miss me? I kept on saying, I gotta get back to YouTube. I gotta get back to YouTube. I've been gone so long from YouTube. I gotta get back. I gotta get back. Where is Waldo? Y'all remember that show? Where's Waldo? I remember they had a box of cereal. Waldo cereal. Do you guys remember that one? So, let me tell you everything that's been going on. Work as usual. Then we celebrated my mom's birthday. That was a blast too because sometimes it's so hard to even talk. And why it seems like my drink is not filled all the way up to the top. It's half full. But anyway, so we celebrated my mom's birthday. She said she really didn't want to do anything, but my cousin that stays close to her, him and his girlfriend threw her like a little family get together, and everybody came over. It's all good. It was me and my brother there out of her children. One of my sisters was out of town, and my other sister said she was busy. She had some things to do. So it was my grandma was there. A lot of other family was there. I'm not about to name everybody one by one. But we had a good time. They had some good food there. My cousin's girlfriend made the food. It was good. She made deviled eggs with potato salad in the middle. Have y'all ever had that? It was so good. I was like, I gotta try that. Then everybody was talking, getting along. My mom was so happy. She was smiling. She looked so beautiful. Still young and vibrant. Her best friend was there, which is my daughter. She loved her. When it gets to this part of the bread, I really don't be eating it like that. I hate this season, summertime, where I can hear flies. I do not want to hear no flies. Can't stand them. Yeah, so these burgers, they good, but it's, I don't think that I would trade on how they be making them for these. Now, you guys might like them like this. I don't. They're not nasty. They just tastes like a regular little cheeseburger with all of the toppings on there. I prefer the other way. Because those little onions on there, don't they be good? The little onions, mustard, ketchup, oh, so good. And why? Hold on, I gotta say this because I'm mad about this. Why didn't you guys, White Castle, I'm talking to you. Why y'all didn't have no clams? Like, what's going on up in here? Talking about some, we're out of clams. I hate hearing certain stuff. Y'all ever went to a restaurant and had your mouth fixed on something, a craving, and then you get in there, they be like, sorry, we're all out. Sometimes I be wanting to just pull off. I think I have done that a lot. I just pull off. They be like, ma'am, you still there? And I just be already driving off. Because I be so upset. Trying to find another one. They be having what you craving. Don't be all out of clams. I love those things. Who eats clams? How could you not eat clams? Why I skip over this one and go to this one? This is crazy. It's getting hot. It's 86 degrees where I'm at. 86. I don't really like the hot weather like that. I don't like sweating. I'm getting full from these. And I done had a lot of cheese sticks. I know I said this. I probably said this before to y'all. There is nothing like White Castle's cheese sticks. Fell on the floor. I know I'm not supposed to have this. Gone. I'm talking about that fly. You know how they just come in the house? I hear it. Gone, gone, gone. Something's in my tea. Okay. I'm full. I'm full because I had a big breakfast. But I did want to try this because everybody kept saying, try the White Castles. Do the White Castles 1921 burgers. It's so good. So I did it. And I gave my opinion on it. They taste just like what I said, like little mini cheeseburgers. The regular cheeseburgers that we always eat. It's not, excuse me, because I know I can feel myself about to burp. Excuse me. I like that is so disgusting. But yeah, they taste just like regular cheeseburgers. I prefer the other way, the way we usually eat them. That's my favorite way. The bread be softer. It just be better. I am mad at you, White Castles, because where is my clams? Don't say y'all don't have no clams out of stock. The chicken rings were good. The cheese sticks was always good. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Make sure you guys go try it and comment down below and give me your opinion on how you feel about the cheeseburgers, the 1921 White Castle burgers. So that's all I have for you guys today. I'm so happy to be able to talk to and see you guys. Make sure you like this video. Subscribe if you already have not subscribed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye-bye.